easy go.
What's going on, guys? Jake here, back again. And guys, thanks so much for the support on my channel. But anyways, guys, I'm back here with Wario. Say hi, Wario.
Hello, Wario time. Whoa!
Yeah, guys. But anyways, guys, I need to tell you some really bad news. My fucking channel got fucking hacked. Yeah, guys, I'm so fucking annoyed. But anyways, guys, I have two-step verification on. But yeah, anyways, guys, today we're gonna be showing you an awesome tutorial. And do you know what it is, Wario?
We're gonna show you how to get the Christmas lobby back in Murder Mystery 2. Whoa!
Yeah, guys, so this is very simple. So make sure you're on level 12. Yeah, guys. And what you want to do is step in these bushes for 5 seconds. Alright, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoa, guys, let's go to the next bush.
Whoa!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, guys, time to scoot over to the last bush. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, really quickly, guys, you want to stand on Nicholas. Click on the Christmas icon. Whoa, we're in no fucking Christmas lobby. Whoa, guys, holy shit, fuck. Yeah, Wario, are you here?
I am here, Jake. Whoa!
Holy shit, guys. Whoa, guys. But anyways, guys, I hope this tutorial helped you out a lot. I'm so sorry that my channel got hacked. I don't know who did it. It's probably my brother or something like that. Whoa! But anyways, guys, that's it. This video, and Wario, check out more of our videos!
Videos!